Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it. It's here. That pink bag has arrived. We have Whispers of the Wild, April 2026 mold box from Resin Mold Box. I am so excited to see what's in here. They are always packed full. I don't know how they get so many into this small box, but they do. It is completely worth the subscription. And if you'd like to save a little bit, I have a link in my description box below. Save yourself a little bit of money. All right, let's see what this paper says and what we have here. Let's see. Okay, so first up, we have, let me see if I can find it, the oval ripple tray mold. And it says it holds 3.78 ounces. It has like dimples in it, like it's been hammered. I like that. That'll be good. Yeah, 3.78 ounces. It's a good size one. Oh, look at how cute. Okay. That one's good. I'm glad they got an Easter one in there. All right, this one is Bunny Ears Storage Jar Mold Set. And it holds 7.5 ounces. So let's open this up. Take a look at it. The top is a set of bunny ears. And the bottom is, oh, we got something on there. Oh, a little silicone. Ew. So the top will sit right on there. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I'm so glad they put something in there for Easter. The inside, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe on the outside you can see it, but the inside has like ridged. It's like textured or something. Wonder what that's supposed to be. Is that like maybe a basket looking type pattern? I don't know. We'll have to find out when we pour it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Okay, so, oh my God, I can't, all right, I'm excited. So last month they had the turtle mold with the lid. This month they have the crab mold. This is the crab trinket box mold. It holds 8.4 ounces. I did the turtle last month. I was so happy for the turtle because it reminded me of my kids' sandbox when they were little. Well, they also had the Mr. Krabs one. And I had both the turtle and the crab in my Amazon cart ready to buy. I am so glad these came in this subscription box. I cannot wait to pour this. This will probably be the first one I do out of the box. Okay, I'm going to be distracted by that the whole time now. All right, focus. What do we have next? We have the floral spliced vase mold set. And it holds 5.8 ounces. Okay, so this is kind of like the butterfly one that they had last month, where it was a separate top and the opening for dried flowers, or maybe you could put lights in the butterfly one. This one doesn't look like you can put lights in it. I don't think it would come through unless you did it clear, of course. So this was meant for dried flowers, I think. That'll be good. Did I say how much this one holds? What does this one hold? 5.8 ounces. That's just an estimate too. I've noticed that they're not exactly. All right, up next we have Little Fat Duck Ornament Mold. Oh my gosh. I have ducks and chickens, so I'll be happy to make the little duck. And then next we have the hollow cat paw ornament mold. It's not a box. It's just supposed to be... All right. What does that hold? That holds 2.9 ounces. I thought it was a box at first. All right, up next we have Enchanted Forest House Silhouette Mold. And it holds 11.5 ounces. Let's check this out. It has a bunny, bird, butterfly, a tree. This would be good to put lights behind. One of those little light boxes. I like that. That's cute. Can I get it back in the bag? Yes, I can. Sometimes I can't. All right, let's see. And what do we have? All right, our bonus mold is 4-in-1 Whimsical Wonders mold. It has, let's see, it holds 2.4 ounces. And what's on it? It is, let's see, we got a mushroom. Oh, look at the little hedgehog. The mushroom, cupcake, and what is that? Oh, a 4-leaf clover. All right, those are cute. Very good. And oh, she threw in some extras. Let's see what's in here. We have some little findings in here. I see glitter. Those are cute. Oh, those are pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see? They shimmer. Those are really pretty. Oh, always need those. Love my steampunk. And this is kind of iridescent white. We have purple and blue. What a great box for April. This is so much fun. Get your subscription or even just buy a mold. You can use this QR code. You can use my link in the description. Save yourself a little bit of money. I will be making these in upcoming videos, so be on the lookout. And thanks for joining me for my unboxing. I'm always so excited to unbox these. Give you guys all a sneak peek of what's coming. Thanks for watching.